everyone and welcome to another episode of the Foodie vlog. So in today's vlog, I've decided to make something out of leftover rotis. I have 2 rotis from last night's dinner. So I thought instead of wasting them, why not make something out of it? So I've decided to make roti cutlets. It's very easy to make and all of y'all can make it. Just don't waste the roti and make something good out of it. So yeah, let's head to my kitchen and let's start. So I have 2 leftover rotis from last night's dinner and I'm gonna grind this to make it into extremely small pieces. So this is the roti that I've made into small pieces, as you can see here. Now we'll start adding the veggies to it. I'm going to add some grated carrot, chopped onions, chopped green chillies, and some boiled potatoes. Now time for the spices. I'm gonna add some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, dhania powder, and some turmeric. So I'm gonna mix all of this together. If you have some coriander leaves, you can add that as well. So this is ready and I'm now going to make small cutlets out of it. The cutlets are ready and I'm going to shallow fry these now. I've heated a pan and I'm going to add some oil. This is about 2 tablespoons of oil. You don't have to add much because we're just gonna shallow fry it. And now I'm gonna add the cutlets one by one. I'm gonna let this fry until they become golden brown in color. The cutlets are ready. I've served them with some tomato ketchup. So the cutlets are done. They've turned out great and do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below how you guys liked it. Until then, stay tuned for more food vlogs.